Want to start receiving Robux donations and Please Donate? Here's how to make your own stand step by step. First, leave the game and open your browser. Go to roblox.com, log into your account, and click on Create at the top. Under Creations, select one of your experiences. On the left menu, scroll down to Monetization and choose Passes. Now click Create a Pass. You can upload a custom image or use the default one. Give your game pass a name like Please Donate and optionally write a description. Click Create Pass, then scroll down, find the one you just made, and click it. Go to the Sales tab, turn on Item for Sale, and enter the donation amount in Robux, for example, 50. Click Save Changes and accept the terms. Each game pass you create becomes a separate donation button on your stand. You can repeat this to offer different amounts. Now go back into Roblox and launch Please Donate. Walk up to any empty stand and hold E to claim it. All your game passes will now show up automatically. You can press E again to customize the name or colors of your stand. And that's it. You're ready to receive donations in Please Donate.